Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're diving into the world of data manipulation with Python. Specifically I'll show you how to append two data frames using the Pandas library. If you're looking to combine data from different sources or just want to learn a handy technique, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, we need to bring in our toolkit. Let's import the Pandas library, which is a powerful tool for data manipulation in Python. The pd is just a common alias for pandas that makes it easier to call its functions. Now we'll load in some data frames from CSV files. These files could be anything: sales data, customer info, you name it. pd.read_cvs reads a CVS file into the data frame. df1 and df2 are now holding our data. Before we do any magic, let's peek at what our data frame looks like. df.1 head shows the first few rows of the data frame. Here's where the fun begins. We're going to combine df1 and df2 by appending them one below the other. This is just like stacking two lists of data. We're going to save the data into a new data frame called result_df. The function append will add the rows of df2 below df1. We'll also use the ignore index true function. This will ensure that the index in the new data frame is reset, so you don't get duplicate indices. Now let's verify that our data was combined correctly. We'll check the shape of our new data frame to make sure it has the expected number of rows. We can do this by calling the .shape function. Finally, let's take a look at the first and last few rows of our combined data frame. This helps confirm that the append worked as expected. Head and tail give us a glimpse of the start and end of our data frame. It's like flipping through a book to check if everything looks right. Now here are some key tips and best practices. Make sure both data frames have the same columns in the same order. Mismatches can result in missing values. Always use ignore index equals true because it will reset the index, avoiding any issues with duplicated or non-sequential indices. Always check the shape and content of the resulting data frame to ensure data integrity. If columns don't align, Pandas fills the missing data with nans. To avoid this, make sure columns are consistent. Verify column names and orders before appending. And repeatedly appending data frames in a loop can be slow. So for better performance, use pd.concat for appending multiple data frames. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.